We came across this technology about 3 years ago, immersive technology, virtual reality, augmented reality, and we saw an opportunity to take this technology and really humanize training, put the human back at the center of the learning experience, and raise the effectiveness, retention, muscle memory through training. So what we're doing is taking our enterprise software background and game development and kind of doing a mashup and bringing together structure and creativity to deliver an experience that we don't think has been delivered before.
We're teaching professionals and enterprises to do what they do best using those techniques.
Passive learning has been proven over time to be much less effective, especially when you talk about efficacy and retention over time. It's much less effective than active learning when you're able to engage in your environment. And usually that means that you're learning through experiences.
Traditional training has been very instructor-led. It's all about how do I get my message across regardless of how people learn. So it's YouTube videos, it's PowerPoint presentations, but it doesn't really develop and drive retention. If you look at the learning pyramid that's well published, learning by kind of passive learning, 10 to 15 to 20% retention. You move into active learning, learning by doing, actually experiencing it, you get up to 75, 80%, and that's where we're trying to drive this technology.
With our procedural sort of curriculum learning framework, we're able to encode both the best path of the behaviors that we want to address, as well as the sort of potential hazards or terminal paths that you wouldn't want to actually perform. So that way people can fail safely, and being able to have either high fidelity environments that are realistic or the ability of having agency within those environments. Those things combine in such a way that allow you to really suspend disbelief almost subconsciously and feel like you're really there in these situations. The types of learnings and lessons and assets that we've created over time continue to build upon themselves in such a way that every delivery, every new customer, every new experience continues to benefit from those sort of exponential returns of that technology as it grows.
So one of the great benefits of immersive technology and immersive learning or training is that you can do it in very short, sort of snackable, bite-sized chunks. So using this kind of technology, people can do it at home, they can do it at the office, they can do it on a bus if we build it appropriately. So it's an opportunity for people to spend more time learning and learn how they see fit.
You just put on a headset, within 10 seconds you're in an experience. The benefit of the new form factors and the future of virtual reality is that you can really bring any environment to your customers at wherever they are. That's where they can learn.
No matter how well you learn, unless you practice, it's going to taper off and you're going to lose that knowledge. What we want to do is put people in an experience every day, every once a week, and repeat and reinforce that learning.
On one hand, this technology is amazing. It's cool, it's fun. People, they want to do it. And on the other hand, it's also meaningful. We're serving a purpose here. We're building training and simulations that help people do better at their job and go home at the end of the day.